Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So if the AC blows hot on the driver's side and cold on the passenger side, what can easily cause that, guys? Easily on Chevy Silverado. So if the driver's side vents blow hot air. Now first, you guys have multiple fuse boxes in that Chevy Silverado. For instance, one is under the hood, under that cover. If you open that cover, the fuse box looks like this one. That's the main engine fuse box. On the inside, on the side of the dash, you have another cover. Pull it and behind it you have the main interior fuse box that will have a layout like that one. But before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, here first, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools, the good price, quick shipping, we'll put, guys, the link in the description of the video below. That way you do not waste your money and time. You need to check the fuses for the climate control. Often, I would say 10% of the time, that's the reason. Problems with the climate control or a fuse related to the climate control. But guys, 8 out of 10 times it's that device right here that we see at the garage. This is known as a blind door actuator. You will have 2 of those if you have dual climate control, where you can adjust the temperature on the driver and on the passenger side. This one here attaches to a flap that turns from hot to cold. On the inside, what it consists of, let me open it quick for you so you can check it out. But it's pretty simple, guys. Okay, design. It has a motor with plastic gears I usually wear here, or one of these gears cracks, and it starts malfunctioning, or this motor will quit working, and then okay, your climate control will be stuck in hot position because of that. So because of bad blind door actuator, 8 out of 10 times we get that problem, guys. If you want to see the symptoms of bad blind door actuator, we have a special video on our channel. Check it out, it will teach you about that. We also have videos how to replace blind door actuator. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.